Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video, and I absolutely know your thoughts right now. This unit is so freaking cute, guys. So this is another hair review with Unice Hair Company, guys. In the summertime I did show you guys a unit that was kind of similar to this kind of curly colored wig. So this one is a light brown color, guys, 24 inches long, 150% density, 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. I will actually leave the card in here for the video that I did in the summertime that was actually really popular. You guys will love that unit. This is going to be another one of theirs, and what I can say about this company is that they do a great job as far as coloring and keeping the curl pattern when they color the hair. Coloring hair takes processes, so therefore the fact that the company is able to give you curly hair that goes through several processes and still remains very nice, fluffy, and beautiful is a blessing. I absolutely love this style, guys. This unit is bomb.com. We'll be wearing it for a few days. I know it kind of clashes with my skin a little bit, but something about how it brings everything together for the season, like the winter season, this kind of colored-y, light brownish number 30 color is giving all the vibes, guys. So hopefully you guys are interested in seeing what I have to offer in today's video. You guys already know the new kind of setup. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the install part. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the unit, guys. I did install this unit today. The reason why I'm doing this install video a little bit different is because I've worked with this company so much, guys. Their units are very pretty. As far as the curly units, they do the best job as far as coloring and also making sure that the hair doesn't lose the texture. This is not the first colored curly unit that I reviewed from Unice Hair Company, guys. The first one that I reviewed was absolutely excellent, guys. Color, curls, and everything were perfect. This unit, guys, is their light brown number 30 color. It's not that kind of auburny color, real strong auburny orange color. So this color is a little bit more of a darker, kind of like ashier tone. Now this one is 24 inches long, guys. It is obviously a curly lace frontal wig, and this is a 13x4, so you can do a lot of parting. You get a lot of parting space on this one. And this one is 150% density. Now with them, their 150% density when it comes to a curly unit is always going to be bomb.com. I have no issues as far as the density on these units. They usually end up being pretty full because of the fact that the hair is curly. Now with this one, guys, I did go ahead and wash it with my Aussie's shampoo and conditioner. I let it air dry overnight, and this is kind of like the final dried out look, and I think the unit looks absolutely gorgeous. As far as the parting space, I did show you guys that I went in with my mascara, and I only did it right here just to kind of give it like a little bit of a balance. I felt like it just looked like there was no part there, so just to kind of emphasize a little bit of parting space, I did go ahead and use my mascara just to kind of tap it into that spot. Honestly and truly, if I could just wear this as a flip over method, it would be really cute. You guys saw I did cut like a little bit of a layer in the front area right here because I wanted it to look more natural. I do like the fact that it's 24 inches all over, but adding some light layers to the front definitely makes the wig look better. It frames the face and just makes the thing, the wig look even more natural than it did before. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this unit, guys. Like I said, I've reviewed several other wigs from this company, colored units, and they do a good job by far as coloring. I have no complaints whatsoever. This one did not really shed that much when I co-washed it. To be honest with you, not really. It also does take product. I let this air dry off with a little bit of the HD gel from Olive Oil, which works very good. I didn't have any of my Cantu-leave-in conditioner, but I just mixed a little bit of the gel with some water and just put it through the hair. And like I said, this is the final dried look 100% of the way, guys. As far as the hairline, I kind of kept it simple, guys. I wanted just to be kind of like, you know, very simple. Added a few baby hairs to it, but nothing crazy, nothing dramatic. So let me know what you guys think about this unit, guys. Overall, I really love this unit. I think it looks really cute. I definitely think it's definitely a winter wig as well, too. I love colored curls in the winter time. You guys will see me rocking blonde curly hair in the winter time as well, too, because I think it looks awesome. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I will leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.